Hello my friends! Today I will show you how to crochet an easy snowflake ornament. It's worked in the round and uses basic techniques, so even beginners should be able to make it. Pattern for this crochet snowflake was first published as a part of my snowflake collection, so go to my website to see more. All of the snowflake patterns are available for free and the links are in the description down below. For this tutorial I use DMC cotton yarn with 2.5mm crochet hook, but you can use any yarn with a corresponding hook. To start, you need to make 6 chain stitches and form a loop. You can also use magic ring technique if you are familiar with it. To form a loop with your chain, make a slip stitch in the first chain stitch. I inserted my hook from the back. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell button to never miss a video. Now chain 6. You will be working treble crochet stitches here, these tall ones. Yarn over twice and insert your hook into your loop. Now pull the yarn. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Now work these loops 2 by 2. First 2 loops together, then another 2 and another 2. This is your first treble crochet. Now make another in exactly the same way. You've got 2 treble crochets side by side here. Chain 2 and make another 2 treble crochets. This is your repeatable module for this round. 2 trebles and 2 chains. Repeat it until you have 6 pairs of trebles. I've got 6 pairs of trebles and 2 chains made. To finish off this row, you need 1 more treble crochet. Now attach it with a slip stitch to close it off. I decided to just go for the chain space. It's easy and works very well here. Now onto round 2. Chain 4, yarn over twice, and insert your hook into the big chain space. Make 1 treble crochet, just like you did in the previous row. Now make another 3, so that you have 4 treble crochet stitches in this chain space. As you can see, I'm using quite thick cotton yarn, which is not the most flattering for this project, but it works well for the tutorial. Crochet ornaments like this look the best when made with thread and very small crochet hook. This project can be made with any kind of yarn, but remember that the final effect will be very different depending on the type of yarn you choose. You can learn more about yarn types on my website, so I will link the article in the description box below. Now chain 10 and aim for the next chain space again. Yarn over twice and work 5 treble crochet stitches in this chain space. This is your repeatable module for this row, 5 trebles and 10 chains. Work these trebles in each next chain space. Now I've got all the trebles, and all that's left to do in this row is to work 10 chain stitches and attach them to the beginning of the round. Insert your hook in the top of the turning chain and work a slip stitch there. This turning chain works as a treble crochet here. On to the round 3. Here you are going to work single crochet stitches in between the trebles. Make 1 chain stitch and work 1 single crochet in between the first 2 trebles. Now make 4 chain stitches and make another single crochet in the same space. As you can see, chain stitch created a little bump, a kind of picot here. Work another 3 single crochet stitches in between the next trebles. Make 4 chain stitches and work the last single crochet stitch in the same stitch. Now we are going to work around the long chain. Work 6 single crochet stitches. Make 5 chain stitches and go back. Work another 6 single crochet stitches around the chain. These 5 stitches created another decorative bump. This is your repeatable module. 1 single crochet, 4 chains, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, 2 more single crochet stitches in between the trebles, 1 single crochet, 4 chains, 1 single crochet in the last chain space. Then around the long chain, 6 single crochets, 5 chains, 6 single crochets. All the written instructions are available on my website, linked in the description. To close this round off, work a slip stitch through the first single crochet of the round. Your snowflake is finished. Now you can cut the yarn and secure it. As you can see, it's all wobbly and doesn't look good yet. To see how I block and stiffen my crochet pieces, please see my video or read an article on my website. All the links are in the description box below. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, please leave suggestions and feedback down below. Thanks and have a creative day!